Hello, I'm Julie Kay. Have you lost someone recently or a long time ago and you just don't know how to process that loss of someone very significant and special to you? You may not have time for grief support groups or be unsure about them. Well, here's a different opportunity I'm offering. It is a grief workshop and it's on March 8th. So it's only in a couple of weeks and it's going to be from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. I really believe if you come and take a step, a bold step to come, that you will leave lighter, not overwhelmed anymore, experience a little more peace, a little more joy, a little more hope, and you'll have some tools. And you'll know you're not alone, and you'll know you're not the only one going through what you're going through. It is so important that we realize that. Community is so important in grief. So I'm excited for this community event that's being sponsored by VARK Medical Center, and it's going to be right in Hudson, right off of US 52, US 19 and 52, and the address is in the description of this video, so look for it there. Also, you can register at the email that's in the video, juliekministries@gmail.com, to let us know you're coming so that we make sure we have enough refreshments, because we're going to have that, and all of this is completely free for you and for the whole community. So we hope many come out to get help, because this is a good jump start to get you learning more coping skills and more practical things to help you. It's going to be interactive. It's going to be a safe place to share if you want to share. And, you know, it's just going to be very helpful to you, I believe. I'm excited. These are things that have helped me in my journey that I'm going to be sharing. And you'll get one of my bookmarks to take home as well. Bring your own notebook. We will supply paper too, but bring your own notebook so you're ready to take notes and interact. And, you know, Jesus said, "Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted." Grief is what's on the inside when we have a significant loss that changes our life forever. Mourning is that expression of the grief coming out through talking, through writing, through various things. And we're going to talk about some of that. And you got to get the grief out. So this is a workshop to help you get started if you haven't already, or to add to the knowledge you already have. So that was Matthew 5:4. So I hope you join us. If you can't make it for this one, you can come to the March 29th one, which will be the next one. And I will be offering more throughout the year at this location, possibly other locations. If you know your church or organization would love to have this workshop, please let me know and reach out to me and PM me at Julie Kettles. Thank you for watching this video, and please share this out, because you may not need it, but it may be for someone else you know. So many people are hurting and grieving, and we just need to normalize that expression of grief and help people to know what is common and normal, and that they're not crazy or strange or messed up, that this is something that they can get through and come out on the other side and live again. God bless you. Bye-bye.